In this video, I will be showing you how to install Z Code Editor on Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Z Editor. We'll be having the official link from z.dev. Just select this. Here we are having the download option. Select it. We are having the downloads for Mac, Windows and Linux. Just click on for Windows. The setup file is around 78 MB in size, so just be patient. Once it is done, just open it. We'll be getting the Z setup. Read the license agreement, click on I accept, select next. The default installation location, if you want to change it, you can. I'm fine with this. Select next, and you can create a desktop icon and make sure that you're checking everything. Next, the installation will begin. Once it is done, just click on Launch Z and click on Finish. We'll be getting the Z onboarding. First thing is we need to select the theme. Next is the key map. Select the one of your choice. I will just go with VS Code. And next is agent setup. This is also up to you. If you want, you can select the necessary one. And next is Vim mode, you can, and import settings. So I'm fine with this. Now to open a folder or a file, just go to File and select Open Folder. And I have opened a new folder. So to create a file, right click on it, New File. I will go with new.html. If you want to sign in, to the rightmost top we'll be having the sign in option. Click here. We'll be getting redirected to the browser. Now we are signed in, and to the left we'll be having this agent panel. Click it. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.